got pictures of me too.
All right.
It don't bother me one bit.
Okay.
Just to walk around, make sure nothing's broke.
Safety first.
Oh yeah. You know, some things wear out. They gotta wear out at some point, and that's gonna happen is during a flight. Someone may have just come down, some wore out. So, all right, this. Are you from around here?
Yeah, Green Mountain.
Okay. Are you familiar with this airport at all?
No.
Okay. Well, our name for like the first, I don't know, 98% of its life, from back when this was a dirt strip with one little building to what you see today, so we're talking decades and decades and decades, was Front Range Airport. It is Adams County's airport. So, Adams County went and got a license for vertical launch space vehicles, so space planes. They got a license to allow companies to basically use the runways to take off from in a vehicle that takes off like any other airplane but can go to orbit.
Wow.
Okay.
Elon Musk.
Yeah, this happened, I don't know, about 2 years ago. And so, like SpaceX or Virgin Galactic or any of those other private companies, they could come set up out here and launch their planes from here. Okay.
Despite being near DIA.
Yeah. Yep.
Huh.
So we are licensed as technically a spaceport. Now, we were Front Range Airport for decades, with our call sign being KFTG. It's decades. They get this little license and Adams County goes, ooh! And they turn around, they change our name, they change our call letters. They basically screw up the FAA charts for a good year. The radio calls, everything. They completely like made it all a big pain in the butt.
I'll bet.
To kind of call it the Colorado Air and Spaceport. It's a big